Hello everyone, welcome back to our new one. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new episode on real-time project. So it's a real-time project that we are doing right now. So here we are just going to fulfill the requirement, client requirement, that is configuration of a material group PACK. So that's a client requirement. Client just want us to configure this material group that we just need to configure in SAP system. So let's get started. Now it started recording. So now So what we will do, so we are going to configure a material group. That's a requirement. We are going to configure a material group PACK. So this material group we just need to configure. So what's the requirement? What's the requirement? Let me tell you what's the requirement. So requirement is configuration of material group. And which material group we are going to configure? We are going to configure a material group PACK. So this is a requirement that we need to fulfill on our SAP system, and this comes under cross functional, and this is master data topic, that comes under material master record, under material master record there is a material group. There is a material group. Okay, so we are going to configure that requirement. First of all, it can be done through two ways. One is through path. So first we are going to configure that through path. So what's the path for that? Just go to SPRO, go to IMG, go to Logistic General, and after that just go to Material Master. After that just go to Setting for Key Fields, and after that define material group. Define material group, right? So this will be the path that we are going to follow here. Okay, this is the path that we are going to follow here. And what's the T code for that? We can, there is an alternate way is there, that is through T code also we can do that. So alternate way is also there, that is through T code. And what's the T code? So T code simply here is, what's the T code here? So T code simply here is, simply T code we are going to use is OMSF. Okay, let me make this one. Yeah. So material group PACK we are going to configure. So let me change the screen from here. And before that, let me log into SAP system. So let me log in. Go to SPRO, go to IMG. After that, just go to Logistic General. Yeah, let me change the screen first. This should not. Yeah, let me change the screen first. Yeah, let me show you again how we are doing that. Go to SPRO, go to IMG, then just go to Logistic General from here. Go to Material Master node. Let me cross check the screen is shared or not. Yeah, screen is shared. Perfect. So just go to SPRO, then IMG, then Logistic General, then Material Master. Then after that, we just need to go to this field selection. So let me go to this field selection, and here you will see not in this group. Yeah, in setting for key fields, you will see define material groups. So here you can see already we have configured two material group. One is this one, raw, RAW. Another one is a TRAIN, TRAIN. So this already we have configured. Let me configure new material group. So just click on new entries from here and just give a material group. So as per the requirement, material group is PACK, PACK, PACK. And material group description that we just need to mention here. Material group description is, we are giving here as material group description, we are giving here as a, let's suppose, let me give Cognizaro Mat Group 3. Hit enter. and save it. So from here, if we just want to create a new request, for that we can simply create, but we can also use our own request. From here we can check our request, our TR request. From here itself we can do that, and we can create from here itself. So hit enter and save it. Just go back, and then yeah, just go back, and then what we need to do, we just need to give our, so we just need to find our material group. So we just created that material group as PACK, and that PACK we are creating for packaging. Okay, for packaging we are creating PACK, we are creating for packaging. So we can just put it here as a packaging, Cognizaro packaging, for packaging, for packaging. And here we can mention like Cognizaro material group. Cognizaro material group PACK. Hit enter and save it. And save it. Same, I can change the name for this also. Let me make the name as raw material. Raw material. Hit enter and save it. And one more let me create for this one. TRAIN. So this TRAIN is for training material. Let me give a description as a training material. Right? Hit enter and save it. Save it. Go back. Yeah. And same we can also access through T code also. So as you know, what's the T code for that? So T code is OMSF. Directly we can access through T code also. OMSF. So from here you can also see your material group. This one ROWPACK packaging, that all you can see from here. So just hit enter and save it. Right? Let me change the screen. Yeah, so let me switch from here. Yeah, here it is. Change. So where is this task? Where is this requirement? Let me apply the filter for master data and for all weeks. Let me check that. Where is that? Where is that? Here it is. For packaging, here it is. So let me, here it's like cross functional material master material group, packaging material, just need to create. So let me put that as a completed. Same let me do in this also. For this packing material, okay, so this is done. This task is also done. Let me stop sharing here. Okay, so from here we can end the screen also. Hmm. 1 second. Yeah, this is with the presentation. Yeah, so end screen. And let me end the session from here. Okay, so hopefully this is clear to you. If you feel this video have added some value in your learning, please make sure to like this video. Please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, and please make sure to share this in your SAP circle. So thank you. Thanks a lot. May God bless you all.